Hi everyone, we make a new partition for Fire Explorer. And we start, select the new volume, and then you click the disk management, and so you can see there's very many partition. So we right click and we find share volume, and you click and you can see, so you can type the number if you want, and then share. So you can see, you find you're searching and you click the new simple volume. So welcome a new volume hazard. So we are here now. So click a letter. You find another letter, or what do you want letter? So I want is letter E, and so you can see. So you choose a UTCPS and a new volume. So new volume you can change for, do you want? So now we are here in Drive E. Thank you for watching.